Hello everyone, my name is Ruchit and today we are going to learn about client credentials. So this is very useful feature by Salesforce. In this, we can directly share the information between two applications without a user getting into the way, which means we don't need the username and password, and we can directly call the API and get the access token. And once we get the access token, we can directly call the API and use it in the way we want to use it. Okay, and for this I basically created one PPT. So here you can see this, like what are the steps that is required. So we need to first go to the setup in the app manager and create a connected app. Okay, and then in the connected app we need to select the OAuth 2.0, and the another step is like we need to enable the client credential flow. So this is important. And once we are done, we need to go to manage, edit the policies, and then in the run as, we need to select a user by which the client credential flow will run. Save your changes, and at the end we will basically go to the postman and we will have the URL of the org, and then we will use this URL to do a post call, and we'll have three parameters there, like the grant type, client ID, and the client secret. And once we hit it, we should get the access token. So that's it. So let's go into the application and try to build it. So this is my free org. Go to the setup and we'll go to app manager, and then we're going to create a new connected app, the market client credential test. Okay, contact email, give something, and then we need to enable the OAuth setting, and here we need to give the fallback URL. I'll give google.com, and then in the available OAuth scopes we can select access the Salesforce API platform. This one will be fine. And the another important thing to note here, we need to tick mark it so that the client credential flow will be enabled. Okay, so we will mark it true, go down. I think that's it. We need to save it, and it will take 10 minutes as per the information here. Okay, and for the time, let's go to the manage credentials details and copy the consumer key and the client secret verification code. We go here and refresh it. Got it. Okay, copy it, and then we'll go to verify, put it here, verify, and then we need to copy this and put it here, copy it again and put it here. Okay, so now we'll basically go to the connected app and then go to manage, git policy, and then run as. So here we need to select a user through which the client credential will be run. So let me go and save this. Okay, so all settings are done here. Let me go to the postman, and in the new tab we're going to select this post, and in the URL we need to go here and copy these URL and paste it here, and then we need to type here services/OAuth2/token, In the param, we need to give the three param as discussed earlier. Grant type, which will be client credentials. Second will be the key, which is client ID. And we will copy this and paste it here. And the last one is client secret. Go here, paste it. Okay, so all these are done. Let me click send. Yes, so we got the access token here, which means we can call a API further, and we're getting all other details with the access token. So this is what we wanted, and this tells us like the client credential flow is working, and our connected app is also working fine. So this much for today's video, and we'll come up with a new topic in the next video. Thank you.